Why, hello, travelers. Today I have a little bit of a video to share with you, and it's concerning heat exhaustion. Um, this is the first time I've camped in Arizona in the summer, and normally I've been up north and at my children's house, and if it's too hot, I can escape into their air conditioner and home. But Vinny here, at this point, does not have air conditioning. Now, I am putting one in today if I can get it done. But yesterday, I went out and did some work outside, and then the day before I drove, and it gave me too much heat, and I am like totally wiped. I've drank more water than I can even imagine, and right now I'm drinking iced tea. I got a wet bandana and a wet hat to try to cool me off. We got 5 fans blowing in the van, but it just isn't enough. And the temperature in here inside the van right now is between 88 and 101, depending on where you are. 88 closer by the bedroom, 101 in the kitchen area. And when you have heat exhaustion, you lose your balance, you have higher pain where you normally have pain, and you can't think it's clear. So getting the air conditioner put in here has been a real job because of lack of being able to focus to put it in. So just letting you know that when the temperatures rise, being out in the heat is no joke. You got to be careful. I would much rather freezing temperatures because you can always bundle up. But with the heat, that's a whole another ball game. You can't bundle up. Jake's outside under the van in the dirt. He's keeping himself cool that way. He got overheated yesterday. And I remember last week, Deborah Dickinson posted on her Friday Night Live about her and Bandit getting overheated. It doesn't take long. I've been outside maybe 15 minutes today to work on that air conditioner to get it into my van, and I had to come in and get cooled off and get my faculties back, and then I'll go at it again because I've got to have that in the van before I can relax and get cool. So it's just a matter of getting it done. But like I said, when you have heat exhaustion, your brain does not function very well, and it takes 3 times the effort to get anything done. I also have some damage to my C5 and 6 in my cervical spine, which is right up in here in the neck. So that causes also dizziness and lack of coordination. So adding that with the heat and the issues I have with my feet and my legs, it's been fun trying to get that air conditioner in. But I haven't put out a video in a bit, and I thought this was a good subject to talk to you about. And you know, I'm doing everything I can do. I've got on each side of the van, I've got those foil emergency blankets, magnetic up there to reflect the sun. I've got what's that stuff called? Shoot. I know what it is, I just cannot get it out of my head. Reflectix. If you can see behind me there, Reflectix, that's on the outside of the glass on the big old windshield I have, and then outside on top of that I have shade cloth. So that's made a big difference. The temperature is a lot cooler in the front where the sun will be in a little bit. It'll be baking on the front, and I've got it covered. So I have those things in place, and at the back of the van I've got shade cloth over the back two doors as they're open right now to create some sort of a breeze. I've got the fantastic fan blowing up top. I've got two Ryobi fans going in here and two smaller fans, and then my bigger fan down on the floor. This fan right, move my hand. This one right here. That one runs on 110. The Ryobis run off batteries. So I've got about 5 or 6 fans going here and here, which is creating a breeze, but when it's in the upper 90s to 100s, it doesn't matter much. It's probably cooler outside. But my chair's not as comfortable as this one. Anyway, y'all out there, I'm going to put this out now. All of you all that pray, please do. I could use your prayers because I feel really sick. And I don't want to feel worse. I'll be okay, so don't panic. I know what to do. I have friends down the road that if I'm in trouble, I can call them. So just keep us in your heart and your prayers right now, and hopefully I can start to feeling better in a day or two as soon as I get that air conditioner in. I just need some brain power right now. Mine's kind of gone into left field. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to put it up as is. So you've got it raw here. Anyway, folks, follow your heart, embrace your dreams, and cherish your life. And stay safe. I guess that's the new mantra of the day, is to stay safe. Do your research. That's another one that I want to tell you about. Just do your research. Do your homework. Don't just believe blindly what everybody and all the media is telling you. Do some research. Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you next time. See you down the road. Bye-bye.